We will be learning how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. To do this, we will describe what mixed numbers and improper fractions are, discuss the steps that we follow to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then we'll convert some mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, a mixed number combines a whole number and a proper fraction, and a proper fraction is one in which the numerator is less than the denominator. And an improper fraction is one in which you have the numerator larger than the denominator. That's an important distinction. So to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, what we're going to do is multiply the whole number by the denominator. Then we'll add the numerator to the result from that computation. And the numerator is what we get from the step 2, and then we're going to express the fraction in the form a over b, and an important thing to note here is that a must be greater than b. So an alternate approach, which you can explore, I'll try that with the first example, is to rewrite the fraction as using whole numbers and fraction components. Convert each of the whole numbers to fractions and then add the fractions together. I'm going to show that for one of the examples, but the previous step we discussed is what I'm going to use for most of the examples. So in this first example, I'm going to show both approaches. So we're going to say approach 1. Let's say approach 1 here, and then alternative approach. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply the whole number, which is 3, by the denominator, and that's going to give us 15. And then we're going to add the numerator of the proper fraction, which is going to give us 16. So what we're going to say here now is this 16 becomes our numerator and our denominator stays the same. So therefore 3/1 over 5 is the same as 16 over 5. Now let's look at the alternate approach. So instead of having 3/1 over 5, we're going to have it as 1 plus 1 plus 1. That accounts for the 3 plus 1 over 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite each of these whole numbers as a fraction. So 1 is the same as 5 over 5. This is plus 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So this is going to be the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 over 5. So you can see here that this is the same as multiplying 3 by 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5, that will give you 15 plus 1 over 5. So this is going to give you 16 over 5. So either way you get to the same result. Now we have convert 7/2 over 9 to an improper fraction. So what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator, which is going to give us 63. And then we add the numerator to it, which is going to give us 65. So 7/2 over 9 is going to be the same as 65 over 9. Now we're going to convert 6/3 over 8 to an improper fraction. We're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator, which is going to give us 48. We're going to add the numerator, which is going to give us 51. Therefore 6/3 over 8 is the same as 51 over 8. Now we have whole number 8 over 15. We want to convert that to an improper fraction. We multiply the whole number by the denominator. Let's show the work here. 15 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5, we have 5. It's 25, so we write down 5 and we carry up 2. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2, we have 7. So this is 75. We had 8 to that. So 75 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So we have 3 here. We carry 1 up and we can put a 0 here. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 0, which is 8. So this is going to be 83. So therefore 8 over 15 is the same as 83, not 7. It should be 83 over 15.